Losing weight can be a challenging journey. But the good news is that healthy and satisfying meals can help you achieve your weight loss goals. By focusing on lean proteins, fiber-rich vegetables, and whole foods, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs while shedding unwanted pounds. In this article, we'll explore some guidelines for healthy eating and share a few recipe ideas to inspire your weight loss journey. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best weight loss recipes will vary depending on individual dietary preferences and requirements. However, here are some general guidelines for healthy and satisfying meals that can aid in weight loss. Choose lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and lentils. These foods are filling and help maintain muscle mass while burning fat. Incorporate plenty of fiber-rich vegetables into your meals, such as leafy greens, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Fiber helps you feel full, aids digestion, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Avoid processed foods and added sugars. Stick to whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limit your intake of sweetened beverages, candy, and desserts. Cook with healthy fats such as olive, coconut, and avocado. These fats help you feel full and provide essential nutrients for the body. Keep your portion sizes in check. Use measuring cups and spoons to ensure you're not overeating, and focus on mindful eating to savor every bite. Grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Marinate chicken breasts in olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. Then grill until cooked through. Serve with roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus. Black bean and corn salad. Toss together black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and chopped cilantro. Dress with a mixture of lime juice, olive oil, and cumin. Lentil soup. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil, then add lentils and vegetable broth. Simmer until the lentils are tender, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, chopped nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a filling and nutritious breakfast or snack. Remember that sustainable weight loss involves making healthy lifestyle changes rather than relying on quick-fix diets or fads. Focus on incorporating whole, nutritious foods into your meals and finding enjoyable physical activities to support your weight loss journey. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. By incorporating whole, nutritious foods into your meals, you can enjoy a variety of flavors while supporting your weight loss goals. From grilled chicken with roasted vegetables to black bean and corn salad, there are plenty of delicious and satisfying recipes to try. Remember to focus on portion sizes, mindful eating, and finding enjoyable physical activities to support your weight loss journey. With a little bit of effort and commitment, you can achieve your desired weight and feel your best. If you found this video helpful, then hit like button. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.